Welcome to our video on the best camping stoves. Are you a camping enthusiast looking for the perfect cooking companion for your outdoor adventures? Look no further. In this video, we will explore the top 5 camping stoves available in the market today. From compact and lightweight options to powerful and versatile stoves, we've got you covered. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of camping stoves. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gas One GS 3400p Dual Fuel Portable Camping Stove. Whether you're an avid camper, a prepper, or just someone who loves the great outdoors, this dual fuel portable stove is a game changer. So, let's dive right in. With its patent-pending design, this stove is truly a marvel. It provides the convenience of using either propane or butane fuel, giving you flexibility in any situation. Perfect for your emergency preparedness kit, it ensures you'll always have a reliable cooking source when you need it most. Setting up the GS 3400p is a breeze. It comes with a carrying case, making it incredibly portable and ideal for camping trips or hiking adventures. The compact size doesn't compromise its power, though. With a sturdy construction and high heat output, you can cook your favorite meals in no time. Imagine waking up in the wilderness, surrounded by breathtaking views, and enjoying a piping hot cup of coffee or a delicious warm meal. Or picture a sudden power outage at home, leaving you without a way to cook. The GS 3400p saves the day every time. This stove has been a lifesaver during our camping trips. It's so easy to use, and the dual fuel feature is fantastic. So, if you're looking for a reliable, portable, and versatile stove that works with both propane and butane fuel, the Gas One GS 3400p is the one for you. Number 2. Coleman Classic 1-Burner Butane Camping Stove. Are you ready to embark on your next outdoor adventure? Well, we've got something amazing to share with you today. Introducing the Coleman Classic 1-Burner Butane Camping Stove, the ultimate companion for all your camping, picnic, and roadside escapades. This portable and lightweight stove is designed to make your outdoor cooking experience a breeze. With its convenient carry case, you can take it anywhere your heart desires. One of the standout features of this stove is a single adjustable burner, giving you precise temperature control for your culinary creations. No more burnt or undercooked meals. And when it's time to clean up, you love how easy it is to remove and clean the porcelain-coated grate. Just a few simple steps, and it's ready for your next cooking adventure. We all know how unpredictable the weather can be, especially when you're out in the great outdoors. But fear not. The Coleman Classic stove comes with a wind baffle to shield the flame from gusts of wind, ensuring a consistent cooking experience. Say goodbye to matches and lighters. With the InstaStart ignition, lighting up this stove is as easy as can be. Just a simple twist, and you're ready to start cooking. With 7,650 total BTUs of cooking power, this stove can handle all your culinary needs. Whether you're whipping up breakfast, lunch, or dinner, the Coleman Classic 1-Burner Butane Camping Stove has got you covered. So, if you're looking for a portable, lightweight stove with precise temperature control, easy cleaning, wind protection, and matchless lighting, the Coleman Classic 1-Burner Butane Camping Stove is the perfect choice for your outdoor adventures. Number 3. Camp Chef Explorer 2-Burner Stove. The Camp Chef EX60LW is a versatile 2-burner outdoor camping stove, specifically designed to meet the demands of outdoor cooking enthusiasts like you. Its rugged construction ensures durability, while its sleek design adds a touch of style to your outdoor setup. Equipped with 2 powerful burners, the Camp Chef EX60LW delivers an impressive heat output, allowing you to cook your favorite meals quickly and efficiently. Whether you're boiling water, simmering sauces, or sautéing vegetables, this stove has got you covered. One of the standout features of this cooking stove is its modular design. The Camp Chef EX60LW allows you to customize your cooking setup according to your needs. With interchangeable griddles, grills, and other accessories, you can create a versatile cooking station that suits your culinary preferences. Built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, the Camp Chef EX60LW is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. Despite its robust construction, this cooking stove remains surprisingly lightweight and portable. Its folding legs and convenient carry handles make it easy to transport and set up wherever your adventure takes you. The Camp Chef EX60LW isn't just about functionality, it's about enhancing your outdoor cooking experience. Imagine savoring mouthwatering dishes, from sizzling steaks to perfectly roasted vegetables, all prepared with precision and ease. With this cooking stove by your side, you can turn any camping trip into a culinary delight. Number 4. Coleman Portable Propane Camp Stove. This portable bottle-top propane camp stove is designed to provide you with a convenient cooking solution wherever you go. The Coleman gas stove features an adjustable burner, allowing you to easily control the heat level based on your cooking needs. With its compact and lightweight design, it's easy to carry and set up, making it perfect for camping trips, picnics, and other outdoor activities. The adjustable burner on the Coleman gas stove provides precise temperature control, allowing you to simmer, boil, or cook at any desired heat level. The stove also features a reliable ignition system, ensuring quick and hassle-free startups. With its durable construction and high-quality materials, the Coleman gas stove is built to withstand rugged outdoor conditions. It offers excellent heat distribution and efficiency, so you can cook your favorite meals in no time. The large cooking surface accommodates various pot and pan sizes, making it suitable for all your camping culinary needs. The stove features built-in safety features such as pressure regulation, ensuring a consistent flame, and preventing flare-ups. The compact design makes it easy to set up and use, while the removable dishwasher-safe drip tray simplifies cleaning and maintenance. Whether you're boiling water for a hot beverage, preparing a hearty meal, or simply enjoying a warm campfire-cooked breakfast, the Coleman gas stove is your go-to cooking companion. Its compatibility with standard 16.4-ounce propane cylinders ensures fuel availability, allowing you to cook for extended periods without worrying about running out of gas. Number 5. Coleman Triton Camping Stove. The Triton propane stove is equipped with durable and rust-resistant stainless steel burners, allowing for efficient heat distribution and quick cooking. Its windblock panels provide shelter from gusty winds, maintaining a steady flame for optimal cooking. The removable chrome-plated grate makes cleaning hassle-free, while the built-in handle and latching lid offer easy portability and secure storage. Now let's talk about performance. The Triton propane stove delivers a total output of 22,000 BTUs, 11,000 BTUs per burner, providing ample heat for all your cooking needs. Whether you're boiling water for coffee, simmering a stew, or frying up a delicious breakfast, this stove has you covered. The independently adjustable burners allow precise temperature control, giving you the flexibility to cook a variety of dishes to perfection. Safety is always a top priority when it comes to outdoor cooking. The Coleman Triton propane stove features a pressure-regulated propane system that ensures a consistent and safe flame, even at higher altitudes. The stove's perfect flow technology maintains a steady fuel flow, preventing flare-ups and providing a reliable cooking experience. In addition to its excellent performance and safety features, the Triton propane stove offers user-friendly functionality. The Insta-Start push-button ignition eliminates the need for matches or lighters, igniting the burners with a simple press. The large control knobs are easy to grip, even with gloves on, and allow for precise flame adjustments. With its compact and foldable design, this stove can easily fit into your camping gear, leaving you with more space for other essentials. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.